From last 3 days, Mumbai is getting rain very heavily. The rain is continuously there in Mumbai, and there are several incidents which have taken life of the one children, and there were many incidents which was reported from Mumbai also where tree has fallen. We are standing at the very spot where another tree has fallen in Churchgate area. You can see how cars have been damaged after this whole big tree has been fallen on the car. This whole incident happened at 3 o'clock in the night, and we are seeing in the visuals that how furiously this tree has fallen and how the cars have been damaged. If you can see the damaged car over here, and the tree is so big that if someone will be there inside, he won't survive. But there was a situation where there was no one in the car, but car has been damaged very badly. If you can see, this is not a small tree, this is a big tree, and there was a rain which was constantly happening from last 3 days in Mumbai. There was wind which was there, 30 to 40 kilometers wind was there, and that's why this tree has fallen. Right now, the BMC officials are over here and they are cutting the tree because it has fallen on the cars and in the another building premises. If you can see, there is this cars are also over here. It's been totally damaged, and they BMC officials and the BMC workers are trying to cut this tree because it has fallen on the different parts, and it has been fallen on the another building. We will try to speak to a person who has seen this tree falling. Mr. Desai is with us, sir. क्या हुआ था यहाँ पर? रात को कितने बजे पेड़ जो है वो गिरा है?
को 3 बजे गिर गया था।
3 बजे गिर गया था। कल बहुत बारिश थी, हवा बहुत थी।
हवा भी बहुत थी।
क्या हुआ था? कैसे ये पूरा पेड़ जो है वो
पूरा
गिरा?
पेड़ गिर गया रात को 3 बजे। आवाज बहुत जोर से आया।
कितना बजा था उस समय?
आवाज बहुत बड़ा बड़ा बज गया और मैं कैबिन से तुरंत बाहर आया।
हाँ।
हाँ।
कोई था यहाँ पर रात को
हाँ,
आसपास के?
आसपास कोई नहीं था।
कोई नहीं था। गाड़ी पे गिरा और दूसरे बिल्डिंग पे भी गिरा है?
दूसरा अपना अपना रेलवे क्वार्टर्स में भी गिर गया।
गिरा है। किसी को चोट नहीं आई है?
इनका नुकसान हो गया थोड़ा।
नुकसान क्या हुआ है वहाँ पर?
उधर गाड़ी था अंदर, उधर वो खाली पतरा बितरा थोड़ा टूट गया उनका।
कितने गाड़ियों पे गिरा है पेड़?
खाली 2 गाड़ी पे गिरा।
2 गाड़ी पे। अंदर भी कुछ नुकसान हुआ?
अंदर नुकसान नहीं, खाली दीवार का नुकसान हो गया।
So he was an eyewitness. He had seen falling this tree, and there were certain car on which this tree has fallen. On the premises of railway quarters, this tree has also fallen over there, and now BMC workers are trying to clear this whole tree which has fallen. But there was a situation where there were no one at this entire place. Only 2 cars has been damaged, but it has been damaged very badly over here. You can see how badly the car has been damaged. It has been completely smashed. If you can see now, why this type of situation is happening is a question which should be answered by BMC, as BMC is the richest municipal corporation in India. There is a crores of budget which has been allocated to them, and when first rain comes, this type of situation occurs every year. So it is a question which should be answered by the BMC, why there was no pre-planning which happened. Every year they claims that before rain they has planned everything, but this type of situation and incident happens, then many questions raises.